Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having an amazing day, and in this video I am going to show you how to connect your graphic tablet to your PC. Before that, go check out the previous video on my channel where I did the unboxing of this tablet, and please subscribe to the channel and like the video and ring the bell button. Now let's begin. First, you have to download the drivers for your tablet, which you can download from Wacom's website. Very important. After that, use the cable that came with the tablet and connect to your PC like this. Now here you can customize all the settings as you prefer, and also I am using Autodesk Sketchbook for drawing, which is one of the best software for drawing, digital drawing. Now all is left is this scenery which I mentioned in the last video. Here is the clip. Thanks for watching and liking, and see you in the next one.